Hey yo, what is up people? Hope you guys are having a great day, and in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can fix your Twitter's problem where it says please try again later. So before I start the video, be sure to hit that like and subscribe button with notification on so you guys can get notified once our new video releases. And if you guys have any question related with this video, you can ask us in the comment, and let's start the video without any further ado. So the first thing could be a problem with there's a problem with the internet connection. Basically, if internet connection is slow or unstable, then this problem could occur. So you can change to a cellular network connection because cellular network connections are faster than a normal Wi-Fi. So switch to that and try to open Twitter again, and it should work. Or try to connect to a stable internet connection. But if it still doesn't work even after you are connected to a stable internet connection, what you can do is clear the data of Twitter. That means to offload Twitter. So basically, hold on Twitter icon, click on app info, click on storage usage. Once you're here, you can click on clear data and then click on clear. This is basically going to clear all the data and cache of Twitter stored in your phone, and it's going to restore Twitter again. So after that, open Twitter again and problem should be fixed. And if it's still not fixed, then the reason behind this problem could be if Twitter's servers are out or is like under maintenance. So basically, to check that, you can go to your Chrome browser or any search engine and search for is Twitter down. Once you search for it, you can go to the first link where it says Twitter down or not working, current status and problem. And over here it says Twitter outage reported in the last 24 hours. The server looks good to me. It says website 43%, Android app 32%, login. So right now Twitter is not out, so we don't have to worry since my Twitter is working as well. So after trying all this solution, if a Twitter account is not opening or a Twitter is not opening, then basically it's the problem with Twitter servers. They're probably offline or under maintenance. If that's the condition, we can't do anything. We have to wait until they fix their server and when they're back online. So yeah, that's basically how you guys can do it. So if you guys found this video helpful, then be sure to hit that like and subscribe button with notification on so you guys can get notified once our new video releases. And if you guys have any question related with this video, you can ask us in the comment. I'll answer you guys, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Until then, bye bye, peace out, have a nice day.